Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel DSC with Harshada. Now let's start with our very first question, that is linear search in array. So in front of us we have a question where we have to search the key that is 6 in the array, which is ARR, and array has elements as 1, 5, 8, 6 and 3. So we have to search whether 6 is present or not, and we have to return the index also, like in which index it is present. So moving on to the question, let's make a function public static int linear search. We're going to take two arguments. First one is the array and the second one is key. I hope you all know the basics of coding language. I'm using Java here because I'm more comfortable in Java. It's up to you. It's all about the logic, and if you know the logic and if you know the basics of any language, you will be able to code. So we have to search for this. So for searching, we have to traverse the whole array from first index to the last index, so to search with in which index our key is present. So for searching from first to last, we're going to use for loop. So we will going to use for loop for I is equals to I is less than ARR dot length I plus plus. Now we have to check whether if ARRI is equals to key or not. If it is present, so we have to return the index at which it is present. And if the key is not present, we're going to return -1. As the type of function we have taken is int, so we have to return any value. So let us store this index in index variable. We'll call this function that is linear search, and we're going to pass these two arguments, that is array and key. Now if this key is present, then it will going to store any index value which is non-negative. If it is not there, then it will store the negative value. So we'll check if index is equals to -1. It means that the key is not present in our array. So we're going to simply print key is not present. And if it is non-negative, then we know that it is present. So we'll write key is present at, as we have the index, so we will going to print that also, the value of index. Let's run this code. I hope I have written or read this code correctly. So yeah, we got the answer. And in array, the indexing starts from 0. So here first element is present. This 1 is present at 0 index. 5 is present at second. 8 is present at third. 6 is present at fourth index, and the last one 3 is present at the last, which is fourth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the length of this array is 5 as it contains 5 elements. Let us take another key, suppose 100, as 100 is not present in this array. So let's run for this 100. So here we got that the key is not present. So our code is correct. And now I want to tell you the time complexity. For those who don't know what is time complexity is simply that how much time this algorithm takes to execute. In this, we are using this for loop for traversal from first index to last index. So it will traverse to the whole in worst case scenario. What is worst case scenario here is if the key is present at the last index, so the loop will run till last. If the length of the array is 1000, 2000, or suppose 1 lakh, so it is a very big number, and there our program gets slow. Just to optimize it, we're going to go with a better approach, that is binary search, that we're going to cover in the next video. For this linear search, we have time complexity as big O of n. As time complexity, worst case time complexity is denoted by big O. It is a symbol to donate it. And that's all the code for linear search. Thank you for watching. If you like, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Happy coding.